Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Bilbayt app works and whether it's worth using for catering and food delivery services in the Gulf region. Bilbayt is a regional app available in the UAE, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia that specializes in catering solutions. It connects users to food trucks, buffet services, private chefs, live cooking stations, and coffee carts for events and gatherings of all sizes. The app supports both personal and corporate occasions. One of the biggest pros is Bilbayt's wide selection. It hosts a large network of vendors offering options like barbecue, brunch, desserts, canapés, or themed setups. Many vendors offer customizations for dietary needs, such as vegan or gluten-free. The filtering system helps narrow down by guest count, cuisine, or price. Users can also schedule orders, view real prices, read ratings, and track orders directly in-app. Another major strength is convenience. You don't have to contact vendors one by one. Instead, you browse detailed listings, see menus with real photos, and book everything in a few taps. It's especially helpful for last-minute planning or recurring office meals. Many services also offer full setup, equipment, and cleanup, which adds serious value. However, Bilbayt has a few cons. First, it's only available in a few Gulf countries, so it's not usable for global travelers. Second, while the variety is strong, prices can vary widely between vendors, and there's no built-in cost comparison tool. Some users also report inconsistencies in service quality depending on the vendor, so checking recent reviews is essential. Overall, Bilbayt is a strong choice for catering in supported countries. It simplifies planning and gives users access to trusted food services without back-and-forth hassle. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.